Hello, Miss J in here.
Right here.
Miss J, come on over, honey. Is this first time me doing your hair?
Yes, I was recommended.
Okay, honey. You see, like, who did you be recommended from, you know? Because I need a waiver here saying that you okay with me making you the Ratchet of the Ratch, okay?
My masseuse therapist.
Oh, honey, it's me. I'm the one that referred you. Oh, my head. I'm the massage therapist here too. Sorry. I recognize you now, honey.
My facial therapist, or my facial.
Yes, honey. I tell you, I had like 4 or 5 jobs. I don't even know no more. Okay, honey. Well, in order for me to do your deliciousness, ratchness, you know, because you're gonna be so fab and ratch that people are gonna want you, honey.
Do less of the ratch?
Oh, honey, this Salon, honey, is the best ratch you can find. You will not find the ratch more here anywhere, honey. Even across the world, across the universe, honey. You can travel to Mars. You will not find the more ratchetness here. We only the #1, top #1. I don't want to say like, I mean, excuse me. I barely woke up, okay? Excuse me for being too ratch, okay? This is me waking up. I'm sorry. I didn't have time because your appointment was too, like, you know. Your appointment was too,
early?
Too early, honey. I had to just get out of bed and, like, I just look ratch, like, no, honey. I need to kick it up like 5-10 notches, okay? Anyway, I do you, honey. You good right here, honey. This is my salon. You sign waiver right here saying that you okay being the most ratch, because, honey, it's gonna change your life for the good, okay?
Okay.
You trust.
Okay.
You trust little
Okay,
Olga
girl.
here. It goes somewhere. I don't know. It moves around. You see Olga?
I don't see no Olga.
You don't see Olga. She's taking over, honey. Sit your booty. So I see here that you're coming in for the best of the best.
Yes.
I got you, girl. So yeah, like we're gonna go
hold
extreme ratch, okay?
I don't want to dye my hair.
Honey, no. I'm your stylist. I know what goes. Okay? You sign the confidentiality. Everything that you say stays here, okay? So you could trust, honey. Let it all out. You trust.
So I can let my boobs out too.
Oh, honey. Everything's confidentiality, okay?
Okay.
So I'ma pour this thing on your honey. Woo, woo. Okay. She's done. I already dyed your hair. And then I'm gonna make you the most ratchet of the ratch. Because you know how we do.
Kill my TV.
Living la vida loca. Ooh, you're going extra, honey. You're going extra. Oh my gosh, this is just pure perfection. I just don't know how I do it. I don't know how I do it. I know. Hold on, people, hold on. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you too. I have to work. I only got 2 arms, okay? 2 hands. I'm coming to you. Okay. This is a moto type, okay? This is my updo. It's done, as y'all can see. And then while she's taking it in, soaking it all in, I'm gonna massage her so she can be relaxed and comfy. It's the whole experience, honey. You get the whole experience.
Hold up, girl. Don't be grinding on me.
Do you want to work here? We're actually looking for another stylist.
I only do makeup.
More ratchet than me and Fifi. So if
Well,
you do, you can always apply. Just inquire within, okay?
Well, with Fifi, I've done Fifi's makeup.
Oh, was that you?
Are you calling me Ratchet now?
Oh, honey, Ratchet is good in this salon, honey. Ratchet is good.
I will take you
Are
out,
you
girl.
confused, honey?
I will take you out.
Honey, this is a Ratchet fab. Just because I don't look fab right now doesn't mean that this is not Ratchet and fab.
Okay, so yours is okay, but mine's not?
Look, honey, I'm gonna have to cut those claws off. We're no judgmental, okay?
Whoa, whoa,
We'll
whoa,
do your
whoa,
manicure and your pedi, okay?
Okay.
All right, honey. So, how's it going, honey?
Oh, it's been a good day, actually. I've had a very busy day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How does that make you feel, honey?
It makes me feel depressed. I want to cry.
Honey, you should come work with us, honey, because J-O-B. J-O-B. We don't have them, so we just sit around and talk, you know? So, yeah. But I make you look bad.
Okay.
Keep going.
I like my nails.
They're beautiful, honey. Look what I did. Look, Fifi. Look what I did. My creation. I created that. Okay. No autographs. Just Monty Cash, honey. Monty Cash. And a waiver. You don't sue me. Or you get fungus. Girl, I got too many people. I ain't got time to be cleaning those things.
Okay.
Shoot. I did this, Fifi. Next time you try to take credit, I did this. Okay, now for your pedicure, girl, I'm gonna need a freaking chainsaw for those suckers. Here I go. This can cost you extra, honey.
How much we talking? Hold up. How much we talking about?
Honey.
I ain't rich.
Honey. You need to get from that to this, honey. It's gonna cost a lot of work from that to this to get Ratchet. Okay?
Okay.
It's gonna take a lot of work and sweat, but someone's gotta do it. Here I go. Girl, I'm about to break a sweat with you. Girl, it's gonna be $500. Give me a chainsaw, Fifi!
500-pound Lego here.
Damn, girl. Ooh, girl, look, I made you look fab. Look at this. Look, model type, honey, model type. That's gonna be $500, honey.
Okay.
Therapy.
Do I get
therapy,
chicken wings with
massage.
it?
You got therapy, you got massage, you got your hair did, you got your style, you got your nails did, and you got your toes did. If I'm not mistaken, that's 6 JOBs. JOBs, honey. Write it down.
So, can I look at it before I pay you?
Actually, that's gonna be $700. You questioning my perfection.
Okay, Miss Perfectionist. I'll pay you the $700. I'll give you a $100 tip if you let me look at myself first.
Okay, but you signed a waiver, honey. No going back, honey. Once you come to Ratchet and Fab, honey, you're not gonna want to go anywhere else, honey. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll let you see yourself.
Oh, I look very ratchet.
You do, didn't I tell you? You look the best, honey. You never look better. Oh my gosh, you never look better. I kind of want to cry right now. Kind of want to cry. Like,
Okay.
I've never seen such perfection in my life.
Can we not cry?
It's all thanks to me. I would like to thank all the little people that I don't remember anymore because I had to step all over them because they didn't remember that I had 7 JOBs. Okay?
I thought we were gonna do full-on body work, girl.
Girl, we're ready to go out, honey, with all these honeys.
Okay, ready? I'll throw them all out for you, girlfriend.
Fifi.
I will throw them all out for you,
I'm
girlfriend.
gonna teach you today, Fifi.
1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4, 5, 6,
Make it
7,
rain.
8.
Make it rain. Make it rain.
Make it rain.
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. This is one of those people that don't think I have a J.O.P. J.O.P. Yeah. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm actually kind of hot. Can I use this as a pen?
Bacteria.
I'm ready to go to my Bahamas. Come on, Fifi. We're going. We're going to pack our bags. We're going to Bahamas. Holla. Ooh, that's a workout.
You coming too. Everybody coming.
Olga.
I'm coming.
Girl, we gotta plan a family vacation. Maybe LA?
Honey, with this cash, we can go to Hawaii, honey. Hawaii.
LA.
Can you say Hawaii?
Hawaii?
Just Hawaii. With this cash, we can go to Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Hunty,
Oh, you spilling,
just
girl.
spilled, girl.
Too much for you.
You be spilling, girl.